Hey, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and I got exciting news for today. We got another project. It's a '04 Mach 1 40th anniversary, and the car has 60,000 miles on odometer, and it's been sitting for 10 years. The person who I got it from, it's a really cool story. He got three of them at once. So he got the Azula Blue, I believe what he says it's called. He's got the red one, and he's got this one that I'm gonna show you. And unfortunately, this one's been involved in a little car accident, but we're gonna fix it on our channel. So if you stay tuned with me, I'll show you step by step what's wrong with the car and how we're gonna fix it. And let me show you the car right now. It's a '04 40th anniversary, and I'm showing you the good side right now. So it's a little bit filthy. The car has been sitting for about 10 years since the person was involved in slightly, maybe, frontal damage. As you can see, some things are taken off. The windshield has cracked, and it's got a little bit of a sunburn through the whole car. So we're definitely gonna have to paint that one. And as you can see right here, I don't even know what that is, when the person changed the oil. Let me see. All right, so last oil change September 18th of 2010 at Friendly Ford in Las Vegas. And let me show you the damage now. As you can see, the back had a little bit of a kiss. As you can see, all the spider cracks on the bumper. Not sure if the camera is gonna catch that, but yeah, you can see it like right here where it kind of kissed. And that resulted in a quarter panel kinking right here a little bit, and that's because it's down by about 1/8 to 1/4 inch. The trunk is open now, so this side is gonna have to come up, and then we're gonna see what else we have on the bottom of the car, like what kind of damage there is, because I checked inside the trunk. A little bit filthy, so next video is gonna be us washing this car. But yeah, so far, like, I don't see any damage that I could say it's big, but I won't know until I get the bumper, get the whole thing off. And now let's go to the main damage of a car, which is gonna be the front right. I know it looks bad right now, but it's a Mach, so we're not gonna talk about that. All right, and here is the damage. I'm gonna open up the garage so I can show you better with a better light. But as you can see right here, this is where accident happened, more of a fender. So the fender kind of pushed the whole shock tower in and kinked it right here. But this should be easy fix, I believe. So I fixed cars before, but I could be wrong. Anyways, let me open the door and I'll show you better with the hood up. But since we're here, it's got a little damage here. I don't know how this happened. And maybe something hit it, or he spun. Maybe that's why I hit the rear back. But let me go look inside the interior real quick before we go to the front. It is a little bit filthy, but it's a '04 automatic. I wish it was manual, but gonna stick with it. I can't show you the odometer right now because I don't have a battery. I'm gonna have to buy a battery as well. But overall, the seats and everything else is clean. All it doesn't need is like a really good wash. And like I said, the paint is gonna have to be repainted. The trunk, the color is like all gone. It's been sitting in Las Vegas sun for 10 years, and you know how that is. UV rays, no protection or anything. But the spoiler is still good. Kind of cleaned the corner a little bit here. Now let's get the garage open. And look at the frontal damage. Alright. Look at this bad boy. So there's a little oil leak, but we'll fix that. I think it's because of the coolers. All of them are kinked in the front. All right, let me get the hood up. All right, here's the engine. If you look underneath, it's all dry, and I believe this is a power steering that is leaking because there is zero oil in there. It's like up to here. So this side over here looks really good. The shock tower, the brace, the radiator support looks good here until you come over here, and this is the main damage. This bad boy has been kinked in, so this is gonna have to come out, and the way we're gonna fix it is we're gonna try to pull it on this while this is all assembled. Then we're gonna remove all the spot welds over here on this piece right there, and through here we'll remove this piece off. Then we're gonna pull the shock tower this way, because the beam itself is good, and you know these engine supports are really strong, so I don't believe they went anywhere. Probably gonna need a control arm, brakes, and we're gonna have a new plan for this car. Instead of transporting all my V6 stuff onto the convertible, might be going on this car because it is Mach 1. So if you stay with me, I'll do step by step on fixing this car and working on it, and then we're gonna take it for a rip. But yeah, it should be a fun project. It came unexpected. I seen it on an offer up, and I was, you know, trying to debate, should I get it, should I not get it? But then I decided I'm gonna get it. But then I couldn't get it like the same week or the next week, so 3 weeks later the car didn't sell, and it was meant to be, so I bought it. And I was thinking, if we can't fix the frontal thing, whatever the damage is, maybe we can move the engine and the transmission right in this car. Even though this car has a Y block that has been fully rebuilt, sleeved, it's got a bigger cam, but it is Y block, so they don't make much horsepower there. 4.2 V8, and it's kind of funny how the exhaust goes from this and then joins into the other exhaust. It's a little bit weird, but yeah. And then maybe we could move all the suspension, diff, seats, and all that stuff in this car. But I really want to fix it because the owner told me like it was his baby. He bought it in '04 just so he could drive it around, and he's got a '04 in Azula blue, that's what he says, and he showed me it's only got like 1,000 miles on it, and he said this car is not to be driven, he's just keeping it in the garage. But yeah, kind of exciting to get this thing going. So next video is gonna be us washing it, cleaning it up, because I hate working on dirty cars. I'm not like Bees for built, don't tell them that. But yeah, if this is something that interests you, please stay tuned, hit the like button, subscribe, and there's going to be multiple videos on this car. And the body damage and everything, the framework that I'm going to fix, it's going to be in this garage, because we're going to use the tools you can buy at Harbor Freight and any local car shop, and then we're going to start working on it. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. It's going to be a fun project, I promise you.